Hello everyone, this is Cyril from the IT Bros. Group policy provides an effective method to enforce proxy configurations across user computers, eliminating the need for manual setup on each machine. This step-by-step guide will show you how to apply proxy settings to Windows 11 client computers using group policy preferences. All Chromium-based browsers automatically use the system proxy settings configured in Windows. In this video, I will demonstrate how to centrally apply the same proxy settings to all users in the USA organizational unit. So, open the Group Policy Management snap-in on the domain controller. A new group policy object must be created. This object will contain the proxy settings. Here, edit the policy. Navigate to User Configuration Preferences, Control Panel, Settings, Internet Settings. Create a new GPO preference item and select Internet Explorer 10 as a template. Now go to the Connections tab and click the LAN Settings button. Check the User Proxy Server for your LAN option and enter your proxy server settings in the address and port fields. To enable these proxy settings in GPO, press the F6 key. This will change the underlying color of the proxy parameters from red to green. This indicates that these settings are active. Additionally, you can enable the Bypass Proxy for Local Addresses option. In order to activate it, you also need to press the F6 key. In the Advanced section, you can set custom proxy settings for different protocols, such as HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, and SOCKS, as well as a list of addresses that can be accessed without using a proxy. Addresses in the exclusion list must be separated by semicolons. Wildcards are supported. Now, save changes to the proxy policy. Next, link your GPO to the organizational unit containing the target user accounts. Right-click the OU and select Link an existing GPO. Select the proxy GPO you created. Now, let's switch to a Windows 11 client workstation. To apply the proxy policy immediately, open a command prompt and run the command gp-update-force. Open the Settings app and go to the Proxy Settings section. Verify that the proxy server settings configured in Group Policy have been applied to the current user. These proxy settings are automatically inherited by all Chromium browsers, including Edge and Chrome. However, a user can manually change the proxy settings. To lock the proxy server settings, enable the Prevent Changing Proxy Settings option in your GPO. Update the GPO settings on the client and verify that the proxy settings are now grayed out and cannot be changed. That's all. Like the video and subscribe our channel for more tips. Have a nice day.